Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students? I hope you are doing well and staying safe at your homes. Welcome to English class and week 13 of this scholastic year, first term, and we are going to continue Module 5 with Top Stars Part 2, Our World, Its Talk, and Project. This week is the last week this year, and after that, we will start our revision. So we are gonna finish everything this week, inshallah, with your help, with your support, and with you being awesome as usual. In this week, we, as I said, that we are going to continue with Module 5, Top Stars 2, Our World, Stock, and Project. Students book, page 56 up to page 61, and workbook also from page 48 to page 51. Our learning objectives over this week will focus on talking about quantity, more, much, many, few, a lot of, make an offer, make a polite request and ask for a favor, talk about healthy and unhealthy eating, food, as we said, this is the big title of the module, talk about food, talk about preferences, read and write a recipe, and learn how to use sequence words first, second, next, then, and finally to make our writing more beautiful and colorful. So let's see what we have in hand this week. We will continue with Top Stars Part 2 as we saw last week on Thursday. That was the story of Amal, Alia, and Fatma in the school cafeteria and talking about what to eat and what not to eat. And finally, Amal was convinced and did what they advised her to do. And you answered these questions about true and false and about what happened in the school cafeteria. But our focus this week, especially on Sunday, will be on this, talking about quantity, making an offer, and asking for a favor. There aren't many apples in the basket, many because apples is a countable noun. There isn't much milk, much because milk is uncountable, we can't count it. Shall I get some milk from the supermarket? This is making a request or offering help. Sure, yes, please, thank you. There are lots of oranges in the bag. You can use lots of or a lot of with countable and uncountable, no problem. Also, if you want to ask, you can say, can I have some chicken and rice, please? Especially in the restaurants, like request. Sure, anything else? I would like a glass of lemonade. This is also a request or asking for a favor. So this is for Sunday. We will also have this listening activity about what would Scott like, and we will do this at school together, and we will practice talking, um, uh, talking about ordering food, making requests, and asking for favors in a restaurant or in school cafeteria or in a cafe. And the next day, Monday, we will have our world. Our focus this Monday will be on these vocabs: fizz drinks, heart, healthy, unhealthy, fresh, heart, remember, keep. So these are 8 new words for you. We need to learn and remember them. After that, we will talk about healthy eating and unhealthy eating. It will be a nice read for us. After we finish it and predict and look to the details, we will do the activity in the next page, page 59, about the story. We have some comprehension questions, read and answer. So that, this would be on Monday. On Tuesday, we're gonna have, there are a few cherries in the basket. There is a little orange juice in the glass. We will practice using a few and a little. Also about the quantity, but something that is little. Few with something we can count. Cherries is countable. A little something is uncountable. Like juice is uncountable. And we will practice that in our talking in pairs and in the class as well. Uh, so this is on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we will have let's talk and some more new words. The focus will be on butter, steak, yogurt, omelette, jam, and honey. We practice using these words also in workbook. And after that, we will work in pairs to complete the report. Sorry, to complete the menu uh, about you and about your friends in the class. Um, and we will organize this chart and prepare a meal, a healthy meal together. Um, on Thursday, last day of the week, we will have a project and we will read and write about a recipe. A recipe is a process or steps in details of making food. Uh, here, this is a step of making a chocolate cake. Here we have the ingredients. We need eggs, cup of yogurt, half a cup and two of flour, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of butter. These are the ingredients. And here we will put the steps into action. First, second, next, then, and finally. Step by step, we will learn this together. And of course, we will do this in workbook. So this is everything for this week. As we said, we will continue top stars part 2 and talk about quantity, a lot of, few, many, much, and asking politely. And we will learn about healthy eating and learn some more new words. And we will talk about healthy food also in Let's Talk, and we will prepare um, our meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, the 3 big meals. And finally, we will have a project about writing a recipe for doing a cake or any favorite food you like. Bye for listening, for participating, for watching. And don't forget to do your homework that will be assigned today on Microsoft Teams. Have a nice weekend and see you in the revision next week, inshallah.